Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video it's about horizontal and vertical flipping of the textures. So let's start the program. Let's open some files. So horizontally flipping, vertically, and the default. It's pretty simple. And with the combination of some rotations, it is also visible the changes. I just change to a struct with flip. Structure that is called flip, and here changing the flag to horizontal, vertical, and the none. And here, as the previous clip, for angle rotations, here just added the flag. That's all for this video. If you have some questions, suggestions, let me know in the comments below. Until next time, bye bye.